Hello guys and welcome to my unboxing of Atelier Shallie Plus for the PS Vita. It's actually funny because I don't have the previous Atelier game for the Vita, but I may get it later. But yeah, now you have seen the box it comes in. Let's open it and see what comes with it. Okay. Interesting design. So yeah, let's start with the soundtrack. I really wish they would have something that you could basically like open this with super easy, you know, like the straps that games normally comes with, instead of this like old style shall we say tape or whatever it's called. This here, basically the sealing they do, because it's a little bit harder to open a soundtrack than it is to open a game. Let's hope I got it right now. Yeah, it's basically this is some kind of work, man. So let's see if I can't. I really wish there was some kind of trick to this, other than basically blind luck. Oh, seems I got it. So yeah, finally the plastic goes. Yeah. So here we have the soundtrack. Let's look inside. Really nice, really nice. 2 seconds. Real nice. And the disc, real nice. I wonder how many numbers there actually is on it. There is a lot of numbers. I hope you guys can see it, the numbers, but about 13 or something. Then we have what I guess is like a little art book. Maybe it's, oh, actually that's the correct way. Interesting. So there's a little info. 2 seconds. A little information about the characters, which is gonna be handy, since I'm not sure if this is like a new universe of Atelier or if it's in the Dusk series. Yeah, it seems to be in the Dusk series, since Wilbert was in, I think, the 2 previous ones. Real interesting. Some nice art. Yeah. Let's save that for later. Then a little cloth here for the glasses. Real interesting, since you can turn it however you want. And finally, the little disc. Oh, or disc cartridge. And yeah, even for the, what's it called, PS Vita has that little strap to basically make it easier to open. I always find it harder than using like this little box cutter and then like making a little cut where, yeah, basically open the disc. So let's get this off. Let's get the plastic off. I hate plastic. So here we have the box. Yeah, and let's have a look at what's extra. Ayase and Loki joins the fight. Yeah, Ayase, that's the first game in the Dusk series, and Eska and Loki is the second, which is the one I don't have. Additional boss characters, new costumes, new events, includes all the DLC from the PS3 version. Interesting. And finally, we have the little cartridge. So that's basically all there is to the limited edition of Atelier Shallie Plus for the PS Vita. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and have a good day, good night, wherever you are. Cheers, guys or girls.